A lot to prove. He's very talented. I think he's very popular dahil madam is very humble. Like Bong also, they're both the same. They're easy to coach. You know, they're very motivated. I think with CJ, it's just his quality of shots. Sometimes because he's always in attack mode, you have to know when good shot from a bad shot is. And madami pa siyang kakainin. I think he has to develop his defense, but he has good guys around him. So sa amin, we're happy na swerte kami bumaba siya sa draft ng 11. I mean, when you reach this, it's a blessing to have a deeper bench so that when you get into a series, may katulong mga to. But we're very pleased with him. He's a very humble guy. Listen, tawag na dito mga kuyan. I think he's gonna grow. He's gonna grow with these guys around him.
And for you, Bong, almost the same question. Seeing CJ shoot proficiently dun sa 3-point area, anong thoughts mo naman, kumbaga, mas dumami pa kayo ng shooters dun sa Meralco lineup?
Ayun, nakakatawa nga na ngayon, it's time naman sa akin na i-share lahat ng natutunan ko sa mga vet namin, especially kay Kuya Nung, Kuya Alay, Kuya Cliff, CB, Raymond, sa lahat ng vet na nag-inspire din sa akin na mag-improve. So, ang maganda kay CJ, talagang open-minded siya talaga na nakikinig siya sa lahat ng advice namin sa kanya para pagdating sa game, medyo relax lang kasi yung first 2 games niya talagang sobrang aggressive di ba? So, dito, mas matututunan niya yung pagiging kalmado lang, antayin niya dumating sa kanya yung laro, share the ball, rebound, yung mga pwede mong itulong sa team outside sa scoring, syempre especially yung defense. So, yun, yung maganda sa KCJ, talagang gusto niya tumulong sa team and gusto niya rin siguro, syempre, lahat naman yun gusto namin mag-champion. So, start sa practice para ma-execute namin sa game.